So when I'm going over these two problems, I'm going to go over the first one, which is going out of rates, or if you want to do unit rates, whatever the case is. Maybe you want to think of linear equations, you can do something along those lines. The bottom piece is another coordinate question. So first piece, a small submarine started its dive at sea level, and descended, that's the first key word, 30 feet per minute. So 30 feet, and we're going to put per minute. Per minute means 1 minute. So let's put equals 1 minute. Okay? When you talk about descending, if you're thinking about, let's say this is you, and then this is the ocean over here, this drops to the wave. What you notice is when you go on the beach, the sand starts kind of going down, right? And this is you over here. Let's just say you're here. Yes, I mean. And the sand goes from 0 feet, because you're at sea level, and now you're going down. That's what descending means. So let's just say this is -1 feet. So descending means you're going down. Now, which integer, if you know what an integer is, it's a positive or a negative number that can represent the submarine's depth. 7 minutes. So after 7 minutes, that's the key word. So if every minute, so let's just put 30 feet up here, and let's put it over 1 minute. If after 7 minutes, let's put it on the same area, so let's put it right here, we need to find out the amount of, so I'm going to put X because I don't know exactly how many feet it is. Let's put 30 feet's fine there. Now, we're descending. So the first thing we can look at, is that going to be positive or is that going to be negative? Of course, it's going to be negative. So automatically, we can get rid of this and we can get rid of this. An easy way to do this, 1 times what number gets me 7 minutes? 7. So 1 times 7 is going to equal 7 minutes. If we do this to the bottom, we got to do it to the top. So 30 times 7, that's going to be 210 feet. Do not forget, we're descending. Is that going to be a positive or is that going to be a negative? That's going to be a negative. So which of these two answers is negative 210? Oh, there's a bee out here. Oh, the cats are messing with it. Uh-oh. Oh, the bee will... Oh. Sorry, my bad. So this would be your answer. Next thing. The coordinate grid down below. The distance between 0, 1 and 0, 10. As you can see here, this is 0, 1. This is 0, 10. If we're just going up, all you have to do is count. So we go from 1 to 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's how many spaces. And if you want to subtract it, 10 minus 1, what are you going to get? 9. Which ones out of these 4 is 9 units? Awesome. So that should be it for these two questions. I'm going to keep doing more. This whole packet that's here. Oh, that wasn't good. All these pages that are here, I'm going to go over each and every single one. I'll make a long video going over every page. That way we can have this all in one. As you can see, this is going to be your 7th grade reference sheet. Okay?